So Vicki and I decided to go camping even though it is still just so hot. We went up to Lake Murray in Oklahoma and met up with some friends. And I wanted to try out a couple of things, like my new ramp to get my bike out. Yeah, it didn't work out so well. She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again. We are in our little campsite. We've got the tent set up to put the bikes in. But I was noticing, check out the spiders, y'all. They're everywhere. But at least they're up high. I like spiders in another place. So I decided, since I'm going to be driving this e-bike, I needed to take safety a little more seriously. A couple of folks in the comments mentioned I might need a helmet or something. But I think I'm going to take it a step further because I am kind of a klutz. So I got some safety gear and I'm going to get ready to go. I'm not sure how I'm going to work the controls with the gloves though, so those might have to go off. Safety first, kids. Safety first.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase night, race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
That is epic greatness. Epic greatness. Huh? Yeah, I tell you guys what, that's one great thing about hanging out with the usual suspects. They don't even bat an eye when I do something completely silly and off the wall, but it's all about having fun. Yeah, get a little warm though. Definitely time to take off all the hockey gear. Alright, so this is what the usual suspects are up to. Cooking yummy stuff. So after Leanna cooked up some very yummy breakfast, Bill was kind enough to put the little bike rack on my bike for me. He is such an awesome friend. Can I pump Vicki on that?
I think this has a 40-pound limit, this particular bag.
Oh, sorry Vic, but Rue can come.
Oh good. That takes a lot off my back anyway.
But not for long if he keeps eating.
I've got a month.
Okay, now, was there any little rubber gaskets or anything that went with this?
I think so.
Look what else we got here.
So apparently the hardware is important.
Yeah, you know, it's kind of weird that way. Oh, okay, I get it. I got it. I figured it out.
See, I knew you were the man.
It was just because I couldn't reach the pillow.
It's going to be another awesome moon night. This gear was worn out when I stopped playing Augie. You don't want your straps getting caught in the spokes. I couldn't find my other elbow pad, so I'm using my daughter's from when she was like 9. You're a bad thing.
My ass pad, man. Don't mess with mine. It's a very important pad.
Get on your circle.
On
Get out
circle?
of your circle. Yeah, there you
Is
go.
that my circle? Okay.